Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to download Grammarly for your Google Chrome. So let's begin our video. So first of all, how should you do? You just need to open any kind of browser. So I just open my Chrome browser and just go on search bar and type for Grammarly for Chrome. And here you can see I type Grammarly for Chrome. Now enter it. Now you can see Grammarly for Chrome. Open on it, open on this link. Now here you can see it showing Grammarly for Chrome. You can download from here. Just click on add to Chrome and you can download and install from here. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.